Hello and a very warm welcome to Travel Assurance NZ. If you are thinking of a holiday in New Zealand, visiting family, or simply exploring the country, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to actually apply for a New Zealand tourist visa. In this video, I will give you the clear, simple steps to follow. I'll cover all the important things you must know, and I'll share my best tips to help you get your visa approved as fast as possible. It is very important that you understand one key thing. A tourist or visitor visa is for a temporary holiday. It is not for working or living in New Zealand permanently. When you apply, you must show Immigration New Zealand that your only plan is to visit and then go home. To make sure you have the best chance of a quick approval, please watch this video all the way to the end. The information I share is based on the official rules, and it could save you a lot of time and stress. And if you find this video helpful as you watch, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Travel Assurance NZ. Your support helps to reach more people like you. Now let's get started. What are the main requirements to apply for a New Zealand tourist visa? First, let's talk about the main things Immigration New Zealand wants to see from you. You must meet these 3 conditions. Be a bona fide visitor. This means you have a real, genuine reason to visit New Zealand, and you have no plans to stay longer than your visa allows. You must show that you will return to your home country. How do you show that? This is where the second condition comes in. Have a ticket to leave. You must have a return ticket to your country or a ticket to a country you have the right to enter. If you don't have a ticket yet, you must show that you have enough money to buy one. Have enough money. The third condition is you must show that you have enough money to live on while you are in New Zealand. The rule is at least 1,000 New Zealand dollars per person per month. If you have already paid for your accommodation, this amount can be reduced to 400 New Zealand dollars per person per month. Documents you need to prepare to get approved fast. Now, to get approved fast, you must have all your documents ready before you apply. You will need to submit these things with your online application. 1. Your passport. You must have a passport that is valid for at least 3 months after the date you plan to leave New Zealand. 2. Your photograph. You need a recent, clear digital photo. It must be in color and meet the specific size and quality rules. Your digital photo must be between 900 x 1200 pixels and 2250 x 3000 pixels. The file size must be between 500 KB and 3 MB, and it must be in JPG or JPEG format according to Immigration New Zealand's website. 3. Proof of your funds. You can show recent bank statements, credit card statements, or bank drafts that prove you have enough money for your stay. If someone in New Zealand is sponsoring you, they must fill out a sponsorship form. 4. Your travel plans. You should provide a simple itinerary. This can include your flight bookings, if you have them, and any hotel bookings or plans to visit friends or family. This helps show that you are a genuine visitor. 5. Proof you will go home. This is very important. You can show proof of your job, ownership of property in your home country or family ties. This helps prove that you have good reasons to return after your holiday. How to actually apply and get approved fast. The fastest and easiest way to apply is online, and this is what you should do. 1. Go to the official website. Open your internet browser and go to the official Immigration New Zealand website, immigration.gov.nz. Look for the Visitor Visa section. 2. Create an account. You will need to create a RealMe account to start your application. This is a secure login system used by the New Zealand government. You can use realme.gov.nz. 3. Fill out the form. The online form is a smart form and will ask you questions based on your answers. Be honest and answer every question completely. 4. Upload your documents. You will upload all the documents I just talked about. Make sure your documents are clear and easy to read. 5. Pay the fee. You will pay your visa application fee online using a credit or debit card. The fee is currently around 211 New Zealand dollars. You will find links to the websites I just mentioned in the description of this video. After you pay the fees and submit your New Zealand visitor visa application, the waiting period begins. The process is now in the hands of Immigration New Zealand. Your application is now in the queue and will be assigned to an immigration officer. They will review all the documents you submitted to ensure your application is complete and that you meet all the requirements. The time it takes can vary. While some applications are processed quickly, many take several weeks. You can check the current average processing times for a visitor visa on the official Immigration New Zealand website to get an idea of what to expect. You will not hear from Immigration New Zealand unless they need more information from you. If they require additional documents, a medical examination, or an interview, they will contact you via your online account or by email. You can track the progress of your application at any time. To do this, you simply log into your immigration online account using your RealMe login details. The status will be updated as your application moves through the process. Common statuses include submitted, pending, under assessment, and finally, approved or declined. Once a decision is made, you will receive an official notification in your online account. If your visa is approved, you will receive an e-visa, which is an electronic visa. This is linked to your passport, and you do not need a physical visa label. So to wrap up this video, getting your visitor visa approved fast is about two things: being honest and being prepared. Make sure you can prove that you have a genuine reason to visit, enough money, and a ticket to leave. The fastest way to apply is online, and submitting all your documents correctly the first time will prevent any delays. Remember, a visitor visa is for a holiday, not for working or living in New Zealand. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Travel Assurance NZ for more videos like this, and share this video with anyone who is planning a trip to New Zealand. I'll see you in the next video.